Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to add products to your Shopify homepage. First, we'll access the Shopify dashboard. Then we'll click on Online Store on the left. On the Themes page, we'll select our theme and click Customize. The theme editor will open. Adding products to the homepage is easy. In the editor, we'll go to the left sidebar menu and choose Add Section to add a product. Here we have two ways to showcase products. You can add a featured collection or display a single featured product. So I'll highlight the product here to show how it works. Let's click and it'll add the product option. You'll come here, choose the product, and it'll be displayed. You can edit everything. Edit color, change how it's shown, image on computer or phone, edit what's shown or not. You can feature one product but only one. To add multiple, we'll select featured collection. It'll show the collection and you'll add a title on the right. Name the collection or leave it blank. I'll put bestseller here. Set description size, add description, change collection type. Here we have the collection where we'll select from. It opens the page showing all your collections. You can create a new collection if needed and select products to add. I'll choose the bestsellers collection and select it. Now the products have been added correctly. Other settings include the number of products to display. You can set the maximum number of products on the page. You can set the number of columns as you prefer. The maximum is 6 and the minimum is 1. You can set if products stay in the total view. You can show or hide the See All button. You can choose the button type you want. You can set colors and configure the product card image. You can even make it rounded or use other shapes. It's up to you. You can display the second image on hover, for example. You can add a quick Add to Cart button, which isn't there by default. It's up to you how to configure it, but you have options to adjust. I'll place it below my banner. Now the products will be displayed here. You can add as many as you want. You can add more, no problem. You can create multiple product lists if you want. You can add multiple products. I put 4, but you can add up to 25. All your products will be listed here. You can use more columns, adding as many products as you like. Now we've added the products correctly and can add as many as we want. To save the changes, let's go to the right side of the screen. Click the Save button at the top. After clicking, the changes have been saved successfully. Now when we access our store, we'll see the products correctly. Click a product to open it or use Add to Cart to make a purchase. You've now successfully added products to your store. I hope this video was helpful. Goodbye.